Are you navigating a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and thinking about your credit score? Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows you to restructure your debts over a 3 to 5 year period, making payments more manageable. But the key thing today that we will address is, can your credit score improve during this time? My name is Chelsea, and I am one of the analysts here at Ascend, focused on helping people understand all of their relief options when getting out of debt quicker, cheaper, and easier. First, to answer the question, it is possible, but here's why. Quick note, we do have our free Chapter 13 calculator that can help estimate your plan payments and compare all options. The link is in the description below. First and foremost is your payment history. This plays a significant role in your credit score. Under Chapter 13, you're required to follow a court-approved repayment plan. Making payments on time may help demonstrate financial responsibility and could have a positive impact on your credit profile over time. Second, checking your credit report regularly can also be useful. Occasionally, debts included in your bankruptcy might still appear as delinquent. If you noticed any errors, disputing them could help ensure that your report is staying accurate. Tools like credit monitoring apps might simplify this process. If you're curious about Chapter 13 costs, our free calculator can provide insights. Again, the link is in the description below. Third, a secured credit card could also be an option for rebuilding credit. These cards require a cash deposit, which acts as your credit limit. Keeping that balance low, ideally below 30% of the limit, and paying it off each month might show lenders that you can manage credit effectively. But taking steps to avoid new debt during bankruptcy could be beneficial. Focusing on living within the means and following a budget might help you stay on track with your repayment plan and protect your credit from further setbacks. Lastly, credit counseling or financial education may also be worth exploring. Many Chapter 13 filers complete a required financial course, and using this opportunity to learn about budgeting and managing debt, this could be valuable for your long-term financial health. To sum up, improving your credit score takes time. Progress might feel gradual, but consistent on-time payments and responsible financial choices can build towards a better score over the long term. If you're navigating Chapter 13 bankruptcy and want more clarity about your repayment plan, our free calculator might help. Easy to use, and it's linked in the description for you to use. For more insights on managing credit during bankruptcy, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more informational videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks.